Ka Meghalaya State Planning Board MSPB kan sa aiti ka jingai jingmut siya ka Sorkar dila kanang banla ban weng ka jingai halo ka jingnang jur ka jingdheng kali hasor Shillong. Ha ka jo ka por ka board kala ai jingmut ru ya baro ki kinhon bakin shimlang kumju ya ka jingkit kli ban manra ya ka jingkala ki bakongsan ha ka liang ka puli puthi ha ka jila. Ha bakren shakilal puthai kubor ha ka khat pratrik jilio u chairman ke MSPB uba Metbah lingdo uloong baka board kadang bishar ya baro kiman bat sinjam bala shimda kitanat paper ki bayade baka jing persyang ban wengi ka jing namar ka jing theng kali hasor Shillong ka board kan sawan ra ki kenja jing ai jingmut bat ngin sara hakmat ka Sorkar bakan shim ka rai kanang ba anla ban pentre kam ya kani hapo sor Shillong ula benram Uba Metbah open tip ru baka board dang Shen kelasyong bishar benia hakabaya day bekaliang kapuli puthi da kaba banjur halur ka jindan kam jong baro ki kinhun ban shimela ka jong ki benta ban penthi kena na ka benta ka jimpan kala ka bapura hakaliang kapuli puthi Ngilaya kran sani bha na marngis nguthu shay baki don shibun ki ki bedan kam ban le da katanan Henry kawai kamat ka bakong san hang ni kalong batang ka Sorkar marway nga ong bakalong ka basyam shitom banwan ra jingkala. Ngidon ka man penthi kena babaro ki kinhun kin shimela ka jong ki benta kena man penthi kena ya ka jimpan kala ka bapura ha kalyang ka puli puthi ulaong. Habak daw halor ka jingbatay bala ay da katanat puli puthi uchaman ka MSPB ulaong. Kila tre shisha halor ka jimpan kala ki badan kam banle bat baro ki bayadan benta ha kanika kam kila shim kiada shisha.
The planning board is examining all the points and all the actions taken by the different departments who are part and parcel of the solution as far as the traffic congestion solving issues. The board will definitely come out with some kind of a suggestion, and we're going to place it with the government for further consideration so that the same also can be implemented in the Shillong city. Since it's on, we will try to close it as early as possible. We had this review on the education department as far as the planning board is concerned, and we have discussed at length. It's a pretty long meeting because we understand very well that there are a lot of things need to be done in the department. And but one very important point here I would like to mention. Government alone, I could see that it will be very difficult. We need to ensure that all the stakeholders play their own role to ensure that it's complete reform as far as education is concerned. I've seen whatever they have presented on that day, that they have really worked on the changes that needs to be done as far as the education department. So all who are responsible for that, they have really put on their heads together to see. But other stakeholders also have to be taken into consideration, and they also have to see that they are also equally responsible for that change in the education department. Anything is possible, always. We should always have a very positive mind. The only thing is that those who are part and parcel of that change, as I mentioned, stakeholders, they have to understand their role. What role they have to play, what role they can play, that is very important. And everyone has to be there to see that change. Then it will be positive. But if one or two or three don't accept, this, if you just put the blame on others only, I think we reach nowhere. So each and every stakeholder has to ensure that they are also equally responsible for that change.